Jim Moriano, Foley artist, and we're about to do some sounds for this roller coaster.
My name is Jeff Wilhoit, and I'm also a Foley artist on Final Destination 3. And we're going to show you some of the mechanics of creating sound effects.
Keep it subtle.
We don't
until after the hydraulic, the hose
apart,
breaks,
yeah.
and then that's when it kind of starts going crazy.
Our main staple for horror movies and anything discussing are chamois. They have lots of air pockets, so when you get them wet and you squish them, they just... Gooey lower half of torso dropping back in the seat.
You have your earplugs in on that?